Hello friends, in this video I show you how to free up automatically drive space. Use storage sense setting in your laptop and PC. Okay, let's see friends, I show you. First friends, you writing here turn on storage sense. And you see here upside first option, click here. So friends, this interface open ready. Click here. Click here and select every week. And click here. Click here and select here option 14 days. So friends, if you use storage sense settings, can automatically free up drive space. And if you have any temporary file in your laptop and PC, the storage sense settings scan your laptop and PC and automatically delete that files. So this setting useful for everyone. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.